Ready to add some supernatural sparkle to your videos? Open Alight Motion, create a new project, select your desired aspect ratio and resolution, then import the video clip or image you want to enhance. Tap the video layer, go to Effects, click Add Effect, search for Gaussian Blur and adjust the blur strength to around 250, creating a soft glow. Next, add another effect, search for Exposure, Gamma and apply it. Increase the exposure to around 0.5 and reduce the gamma to around 0.8. Now duplicate your original video layer, position this duplicated layer above the blurred layer, add difference matte and move the position to around X5 and Y5. Add a Colorize Effect to the duplicated layer and choose a color that you like for your ASTRAL effect. Blue and purple usually looks good. Go to Blending and Opacity and select Lighten. Select Screen to make the inner glow more intense and eliminate the black background. Finally, adjust the opacity of the top layer to fine-tune the intensity. Experiment with different colors and blending modes. You've created a captivating ASTRAL effect in Alight Motion.